Kick breathes slow in the darkened hall. Sub hums low like a distant call. Noise drips down from a broken sky. Sacred wires whisper while we try. Page rise, filters bleed. Time been soft to the drone we feed. No hook yet, just tension born. A ritual loop till the night is torn. One clap snaps, hands tick tight. Metronome heart starts to fight. Bass walks mono, bends to funk. Chances glitch, beautiful junk. Swing in the cracks, random fire. Groove appears, then climbs higher. Feet on lock, shoulders roll, dance logic wakes the body control.
Triple A has cut razor clean. 808 shakes the in-between. And shout, shout, echo call, then reply. Crowd breath sings when the hook flies by. Realize punch on every hit. Money reels, trigger spit. Say it once, say it twice. Hooks don't ask, they take the mic. Off flow wide, scale lock dreams. Purple waves and reverb streams. Chord stacks melt, guitars cry. Silence speaks where words won't try. One voice left soaked in delay. Heart drops low before the play. This is the pause, the breath, the doubt. The moment right before the route. Rise, a scream, volcano climbs. Automation needs the time. Snare rolls drag the future near. Every bar whispers, prepare. Impact hits, no turning back. Strobes ignite the battle track. Metal bites, synths ignite. Hardcore drop.
Boss fight night.
16 notes like blazing rain. Guitar locks with bass insane. Ghost notes laugh inside the groove. Even chaos learns to move. This ain't genre, this is force.
All engines locked on the same course. All 15 layers breathe as one. Neon metal rhythm sun. Macros twist the world in sync. Every sound on the edge of blink. DJ Luke's been space and time. Infinite scenes, no finish line. Fade, no cycle, reload, return. This system life to loop and burn. Kill the noise, let pads remain. Sub still hums inside the brain. Touch one key, the ritual's back. Same engine, brand new track.